Season's greetings. This fella is Casper, it's our other cat. He's got a very chilled out temperament. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy holidays, seasonal greetings, and do a little giveaway. I just put this together last night. Casio. And you probably won't get that reference. Casio. And yeah, it hasn't even got the screws in, but I put it together last night. It's a bit of a Frankenstein. It was all the bits that I had left over. I didn't print anything. I had all this stuff spare. So it's got the old-fashioned button there, but it's it's good. It's got the Pico 2, so it's got the more up-to-date Pico. And some lucky winner is going to get this. So just leave a comment in the video, like the video, leave a comment, any comment. And then on Christmas Day, I will use the random comment picker to pick a winner. And I'll post it in the same video, in the comments, I'll post the winner. So don't put your address in there. I'll contact the winner. This comes with absolutely nothing, no instructions, no cables, no box, no warranty. He's off. And so yeah, but it works. And this is the one actually featured on the front of this is the one featured on the Hackaday IO. So I guess in a way it's kind of famous. Yeah, if you want this, just leave a comment. I will be picking the winner using the random comment picker. And I'll post that process, and then I'll put a link in the description. Just leave. There's some countries I can't post to, any BRICS country, basically Russia, unfortunately. I do like Russians, but I can't post there. Chinese, we shouldn't even be on YouTube, really. I'm not going to post there. And anybody in a war zone, I don't want to get in trouble. But anybody else, India, Canada, UK, America, Anyway, put your comment in there. Any comments, I will pick a winner. Have a great Christmas, and thanks for watching.